Did you know some people are making over $10,000 selling Christmas sweatshirts on Etsy without ever holding inventory? In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start your own holiday side hustle using Printify. And you can do this even if you've never sold anything online. By the end of this video, you will know how to create products, publish them, and start making sales before Christmas. And Printify is going to handle the printing, packing, and shipping. Print on demand or POD, it's a business model where you don't keep any inventory. You create a design, upload it to a product on Printify, connect to Etsy or any other sales channel on Printify, and every time someone buys, Printify prints out, packs, and ships it to the person. This means you only focus on the fun part, designing and selling, while keeping the profit. For example, a Christmas sweatshirt might cost $12 on Printify, but sell for $30 to $40 on Etsy alone. Let's start with Christmas sweatshirts. Here is what you can do to start. The first thing, you can either create designs, Christmas designs with AI, or you can open Canva and create a cozy or funny Christmas design. Export it as a PNG with a transparent background. Go to Printify and select Christmas sweatshirts or sweatshirts in general from their catalog. Next thing to do is to upload your design, adjust the placement as to how you like it, and make it look perfect. The next thing to do is to connect your Printify accounts to Etsy and publish the product. Now, if you're a beginner to all this and you're in a country where Etsy is not available for sellers, you can then use Printify pop-up as the sales channel. It's very simple. Once you're done, you promote it on any other social media platforms. People are going to buy. If you're interested in any other specific niche for POD, you can also dive into that one. And yeah. So in order that you now have a product ready to sell, even better, every time someone buys it, Printify handles the printing, shipping, and remember, this sweatshirts only cost $12 to make and can sell for $30 to $40, giving a strong margin. Now, before we continue, you have to stick around because next I'll show you a product that has even higher profit margin than sweatshirts. I'm going to head on to Canva and I'm going to search for Christmas t-shirts. Now, right from here, I'm going to select any of these awesome t-shirts. I'm going to select this one right here. And I'm going to draw inspiration from this one to recreate another design. So I'm going to select screenshot and then I'm going to take a screenshot of this specific design because it's paid. You have to pay for it before you use it on Canva. I'm going to head on to Microsoft Copilot and then import the screenshot right here. And I'm going to ask Copilot to describe the image right here. So I'm going to click on enter and Copilot is going to describe the image. And this is how the image looks like. I'm going to ask it to create another design for a print on demand, and I'll leave the prompt in the description. You can see it created it for me. It does not look the same, but then it's similar to the design. You can download it and use this one as your design if you do want it. If you want to twist it around too, I'm going to take you through the steps on how you can do it. But that is the design. I'm going to close it right here, and then I'm then going to ask it to also give me a prompt. And so it gave me a prompt right here. So I'm going to copy this prompt and then head on to any image generator. And you can see I've already created designs here. And these designs look really nice. Right. These are Christmas designs. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to paste the design prompt right here and then click on enter. I'm using Dreamina. And so you could see that I made a first mistake with the design. The design is being placed on a mockup, but I want only the design. So I'm going to go into the prompt and then delete some few things like t-shirts and background. Now I created it again and you can see we have a nice design right here, and then we can use it for our print on demand. So now that we have the design, we're going to download it onto our PC and head on to Printify to create an account and then start creating our store. Now that is the design, and you can see it has some logos on it. Now at the top here, you can see it has AI. So we can crop it out, and we have down here Dreamina AI. So we can crop these two logos out by clicking on the edit tool on the Windows and then dragging the bar to cover up the logo. So I'm going to crop it out real quick, and from here I'm going to head on to Printify, and on Printify you can start for free. So I log in into my account, select catalog, and then right here I'm going to select sweatshirts. From here I'm then going to select the unisex heavy sweatshirt, and then all I have to do is to click on start designing, read about it and see the colors or the sizes they have. I'm going to click on start designing, and right from here this is a sweatshirt mockup. So I'm going to select upload and select my device, upload the design we created on Dreamina and upload it right here. Okay, you can see this is looking nice already. So what we need to do is that we can also select a design for backside, sleeve, and then neck. Right, so let me go back to the original front side design, and right from here we can also select variants by selecting different colors that comes along with this sweat set. All right, so once you select the colors, you can click on save product or preview to take a look at it, and you can see it's looking nice already. And yeah, that is a Christmas sweatshirt, and you can do this and start promoting it. Okay, now let's go back. Now we can also upload a separate design that we created or another design, and you can see it looks nice. All right, let me position it well, and I'll click on preview to take a preview of it. You can see it's looking nice already. And yeah, you can then go on and select save product, save the product. I'm then going to go back and then select white color. And you can see these mockups are looking awesome. And people would buy this, trust me. If you start selling it on Etsy and promoting it on TikTok, that is how the final t-shirt looks like. You can see it is really nice and someone or people might buy it. Okay, so I'm going to click on save product. It's then going to take you to where you select mockups, and you can go through these various mockups to select it. The mockup really helps for people to buy your products. So you want to select the best mockups that Printify is providing to you. I really like this one, lifestyle white mockup, and it looks nice, you see. Right, so I can close it and then select save selection. Now right here is the listing, but before we do the listing, let's head on to the store right here, and then from there we can then click on add a new store, and you can select Etsy as your sales channel if you have an Etsy account right there. Now if you are new, you can also use Printify pop-up option if Etsy is not available in your country. This page right here on Etsy started 11 months ago, and they have 4.8k sales. You're making a lot of money this festive season, and you can also be an owner of a similar store, or you can use Printify's pop-up option or sales channel, right? So this store tends to upload designs for holidays and Christmas, Halloween, and Mother's Day and Father's Day. Next, let's look at scented soy candles, another amazing holiday product. And to do this, you first have to design a cozy Christmas label using Canva or any of the AI design tools. Upload it to Printify scented soy candle products in a catalog. Connect your account to Etsy or any other sales channel on Printify and publish it. These candles cost about $7.5 to make, but you can sell them for $15 to $20. That's over 60% profit. To get sales quickly, you can use AI to make short TikTok, Instagram videos showing the candles in a cozy setup, or highlighting trending scents using tools like Everbee and eRank. The next thing we're going to take a look at is scented soy candles. So I'm going to select catalog and then select candles. I'll get the option for scented soy candles, and then going to select any one of these. Let's select the last one right here. Right, it's going to take you to description and where the product is from and the types. All you have to do is click on start designing, and right from here I'm then going to upload this design to the mockup. So what I have to do is to download it real quick, and I have a bunch of designs right here. You can select from the one that best suits you. All right, so I am then going to import it or upload it onto my mockup. Once on the mockup, you can adjust it as to how you want it. I'm then going to adjust it real quick and click on save product. These are a bunch of mockups that we can use, and you can see these mockups looks quite awesome. You can then go back and click on preview to see how the products are going to look like, and it's going to look awesome. These designs really sell faster because it's Christmas and people mostly use candles during Christmas. Now that your products are live, here is how to start getting orders. Post engaging organic content on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. Now, I have a full tutorial, I'll leave it in the description, on how you can use AI to create mockups, realistic mockups of the designs or the products that you create. Now, the next thing you need to do is to organize your Etsy SEO. Titles, tags, and then descriptions also matter. Consider small Etsy ads to boost your visibility if you do have the money to run ads. Collaborate with micro influencers to reach more buyers, or you can simply promote it yourself by creating a new TikTok account, Instagram, or YouTube, and then start posting these designs. It's the festive season, and so people are going to purchase this. If it's not only Christmas, we have Easter, we have other festive seasons across the year, and so you can dive into it and then create it. Even if you post just one video and optimize your Etsy listing, you could start seeing orders in just a few days. And that is it, guys. 2 simple holiday side hustles: sweatshirts for proof of sale and scented candles for high demand. Printify handles all the fulfillment and you keep your profits. If you want more high margin holiday ideas, stay tuned for my next video where I'll show you even bigger products and higher profits before this Christmas.